I don't know. It's hard to say. I've obviously involved. I've had 10 games now with Torino, and I've enjoyed that style of football. It's very different to the Premier League, but it's my life now. So it's Serie A is my football, and how we build up and how we play links in quite similar to how we're playing here. So I wouldn't say it's totally changed too much of me, but it's all nice experiences, and it's all adding and hopefully trying to make me a better player, which I strive to be every day.